Hello everybody, we're here exploring this asylum, and we were underground. Yeah, I wasn't filming at all. Amateur move. I can't smell anything. If you are claustrophobic, I would highly not recommend doing this, because it is so tight down here. Let's watch our 6. What's up? No shit. We have an asbestos cover right here. Somebody cut through it. That is crazy.
You can wait on this one, put the corner in the corner.
Does it? You want to walk down there? Not walk into the asbestos land? Alright, Stan. Watch our 6 here. No one's following us. What's that? That's rusted out. Oh, that was your breathing. Ceiling got higher though. Never mind, that's just the echo, I think. And back there. We're good. Dude, this is so crazy looking. This is insane. You like go straight to the school. That's graffiti. It's tunnel number 4 still. What's this door? Oh, it's another asbestos room. Someone left off the cover. Yeah, watch your head. There's like something really rusty hanging down. This. Can I go outside? Oh, stop. No way. That's crazy. You see the monitor? Just an empty room. It's like crawl space, kinda. This has to be tower view. This is the school. Watch your head. Yeah. No. Nah. Well, yeah, that was in that administrative building. Anything good down here? Any kind of signage? Look. Tower view. I was right on the name. Yeah, folks, that's the name of the building. Tower view. Yeah. Somebody freaking stripped it. Sucker got gutted. Oh, that's the torn door. And the tower. Yeah. Makes me feel better. There's that vent. That secret room. There's a light bulb up here if you want it.
If I could grab that plate.
The tower view? Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, look at this paperwork. Yo, do you want to take this?
Repeat of instructions.
lights on it. Sprinklers. I'm gonna take that. Shows no one took it. These are just heavy water damage. Look, 10/7/83. Let's get out of here. Look, this is 11/9/05. In 2005 is when this place closed. Yeah, this is good stuff right here, dude. How do you want to carry it?
I guess fold it up as you both up.
Yeah, pocket. What do you pocket?
Still flies enough to fold.
Yeah, it's not damaged too hard. Dude, look at my shirt, my hoodie. Think that's asbestos? Just dust. Any kind of name on it? Dude, check out the ceiling here, dude. Oh, it's that foam stuff. The insulation. Asbestos in it? It's white and gray. This is the basement, the tower view. Train hornick. That kid, yeah. Sounds like a dog name. Oh, those papers are safe and secure.
No, it's like that now.
Yeah, I don't want to get too lost down here. There's a fire extinguisher. I think there's anything in there. Nah. That leads right upstairs. That staircase. Some red tape. Well, folks, we secured ourselves some good paperwork here. Head back into the tunnel system. Check those corners. Where's that lead to? That's so creepy. 8 minutes of filming now. Hunt for lunch. 2 arrows. This is old. This graffiti looks old. Just watching our 6. Fresh? Old. It's old. Yeah. That's old. There's ribbons in here. That's so creepy. Just imagine this being on some kid's head. Yeah. Dude, that's a narrow door. Yep. I got your 6 right behind us too. Clear? Dude, wow, look at this thing. Some kind of generator. See the motors? Fuel motors, the gauge. Both motors. Onward we go. Old ass light switch. That thing's huge. It's a big one. Yeah? Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Yeah. It's soldered on too. We're surprised nobody took any of this. Yeah, how would they get it out? You'll watch your head top right. There's a big pipe right above your head. Yeah, it was like blocks. Who's Haley? If anyone knows a Haley, let us know. Damn. Imagine bringing one of those gauges home with us. Oh, dude, look at this. Look at the dirt on the floor. Alright, I'm gonna go under now. Alright, watch your head right there. Look at this insulation, dude. Ceiling collapse. Dude, there's a lot of snow down here. Is it? All out for a dead end. Oh, the gem. You creeped out by it? I want to go in. We are in the gymnasium. Check out the floors, dude. A lot of water dripping. I don't smell anything. Yeah, I smell it. There's a lot of dust in here, dude. Like a mop bucket. Table. Look at that table, dude. Windows for people to watch the kids play down here. Yeah. I've had the floor is just so wavy in here. Look at that fan. What's that? There's somebody out there. Let's go. Going for the tunnel? Dude, that was definitely my headlamp doing that reflection. I'm gonna pause.